and it is pouring down rain. Today's gonna be a fun one, I'll tell you that. I just got my first order. This one's going to be for McDonald's. $7 going 3 miles. This lobby better be open. Oh my god, the wind. Oh my god. Oh god. Please be open. I guess I appreciate the time to dry off a little bit inside, but it does not take that long to make 2 Egg McMuffins. I don't want to hear it. Got the next order lined up right after this. It's going to be for Panera, $9 going 6 miles. Hello. Yeah, for Jalen.
Can I see it on the... There we go. There you are. I see your money.
You too, thank you. What are the odds that this pin is accurate? Because I can't see a thing. It's telling me it's this building right here, so let's hop out and double check. But honestly, I have no idea. Thank God, because if I had to go out and check every single building, ooh, I would have been so mad. Next up, we've got Angels. This one's gonna be $9 going 6 miles. See a lot of people just standing around, so I'm assuming this is ready. Hello.
There you go.
Thank you. You too. Next order up, we've got a Seize the Bagel. This one is $8 and some change, going just under 4 miles. Yes. Thank you. You too. If the entry gate is not open, please use the call box. Oh boy, my favorite type of deliveries, to be honest. And it is closed. Oh. Never mind. Somebody randomly opened it for me. I'll take it. Thank you. Oh, of course, they have to be upstairs too. Just got the next order. We are heading to IHOP. This is $11 going just under 6 miles.
Is not drink?
No.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, that wait wasn't too bad considering how close I was. And I checked their tablet as I usually do. They have like 12 plus orders, so we are probably not going to be coming back here today. Just got the next order. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $10 going 5 miles, 2 items. They're all out. That's great.
If you have...
Bruh, this has to be a meet at door, doesn't it? It is always a meet at door whenever I make a substitution. That always makes me nervous. Because what if they just look at the bag and they're like, this isn't what I wanted, blah, blah, blah. Hello. Just got the next order. We're going to Chick-fil-A. This one's gonna be $10 going just under 5 miles. Thank you. Next order up, we've got an order for El Jefe, birria, and tacos. This one is $7 and some change, going less than 2 miles. Thank you. You too. Oh, this is going like right across the street, actually. Sarah?
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Next order up is for Gravity Coffee. This is $11 going 5 miles. Oh no. This might get unassigned actually. 4 cars and they are known to lag it, so we'll give it a shot, but no promises here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What was that, like 12 minutes for 2 drinks? Does that seem reasonable to you guys? Let me know. Yet another one where I should be there ASAP because this is gonna be Five Guys, and yep, they ordered fries, so they don't start them until I get there. This order is gonna be $10 going 5 miles.
Yeah,
Okay, I am pretty far away from home, so I might just call it here. Those fries smell too good. I'm starting to get hungry. Current time is 11:28. Total is 87. I thought I was doing a lot better today for some reason. I feel like the orders were pretty decent. I'm not sure why I'm so far behind. I don't think I had that much downtime, did I? But anyways, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.